everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper dog. For this we need a square size paper and a black pen or a black color. First of all, I'm going to fold the left hand side top edge to the right hand side bottom edge. Then press it and make a triangle shape. After this, we're going to fold the left hand side edge to the right hand side. One more triangle is formed. Then open it. Keep your hand here. Fold the right hand side top edge towards down. The same way we are also going to do the left hand side. Now turn it and fold the bottom edge and then press it. After this, make 2 circles for dog's eye, 1 nose, and mouth. Our dog is ready.